Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very nice and fun fidget toy. So all you need for this fidget toy is one paper. So then you have to fold this paper. So just fold it in half like this. So after you fold it in half, as you can see, it's folded like that. So you fold it very nice. So then take a marker. You can use a pen or a marker or a pencil. So you can draw any fruit you like or anything, but make sure it's not really small. Draw very big, like that. So I'm gonna draw a watermelon. So as you can see, I'm drawing a watermelon. And I'm just gonna color the seeds. Okay, I think I am done coloring the seeds. So now I'm going to take my marker and color them. So I'm going to color my watermelon, as you can see. And guys, you can draw like anything if you want. Like you can draw an orange, or you can draw like a unicorn, anything really nice. Okay, I'm just gonna take green for the bottom. My markers work really well. Okay, I think that's nice. Oh, there's some white space right there. Okay. So now, all you need now is to take a glue stick. Okay, so all you need is a glue stick. Okay, so I'm gonna take my glue stick. Yeah. Okay. So all you need is a glue stick. So open your paper up like that and turn it around to the marker, as you can see, like that. You can also use a color pencil, but marker's better so you can see the outside like that. So then just glue all the parts. Yeah, just glue it like that. Just glue all the parts. After you're done, you fold back the paper and okay, I think that's done, but not really. So all you need to do is take your... Okay guys, I'm gonna go and take my tape for a while. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back with my tape. So then all you have to do is tape up all of your watermelon things. You can use your big tape that you have, so you don't have to like take so much tape. So make sure you tape like cover like the whole entire picture. This could take time. Just tape all of your things. Okay, after you're done taping all of them, you are going to have to cut the watermelon or anything you draw. Okay guys, so I'm done cutting them. So now, let's take out the trash. Okay, so now all you have to do is tape up the back too. The part that's white. Okay, after you're done, you're going to have to take out your watermelon things. And you're going to have a cut it. Cut all the remaining tapes in the side. Okay. So that's it. It's not really fidget toy. That's why it's not it. So after you finish your watermelon thing or your anything thing, you just like, so it must have tape under front and back. Next, you will need a plastic bag. It must be like transparent, no other colors, okay? Just remember, you need transparent. Then, you'll have to cut out the transparent thing. Just cut like a bit, just cut half of it. Just cut half of it. So you'll just have to cut half of it. Where are they? I'm sorry guys, just wait right here, okay? Just cut up your plastic bag first, okay? Okay guys, so I have my plastic bag right here again, so I'm going to cut them just maybe around here. Cut all of the plastic bag until the end. So you must have this, but then it has this thing inside. So what you're gonna do is to okay guys, so all you need is to cut this. Then you have to take this out. Okay guys, so then you have to take this out. Okay, so all you need to do is just take one plastic bag. Make sure you're gonna cut all of them up without any holes inside. So, yeah, just cut them. Okay guys, so you must have this without anything in the back. Just cut it like that. Then all you're gonna do is place the plastic bag on the thing you draw. Then turn it back like this and just tape everything. But make sure there's a hole. So don't cover everything. Maybe you can just leave that one out. Okay. Just do it like that. See, there's a hole right there. It must have a hole. Okay, so then you just cover. Tape it all up. Okay, if there's too much plastic back, you can just cut it like that. Tape it. And don't forget guys, you need a hole in here. Yeah. Don't tape all of it. So then have to do that. Tape it. Okay, so after you're done like this, you must have a hole like that. So then all you need is some beads or something. You can use beads or you can use or you can use pom-poms. So yeah, you can just put the pom-poms in here. Okay, I'm just gonna use some beads. I have some beads here. As you can see, some beads there. If you have color beads, you can put one group of color. So I'm going to do purple. So I'm gonna choose all of the purple color beads. Okay, I think that's all. So now let's put all of those beads there. So I already chose those. And now I'm gonna put all of the purple beads in the bag. Okay, maybe that's enough. I'm not gonna add a lot. Okay, now then you're just going to tape the rest of it. Tape it nice. And you've got it. So you can like play with it like that. Okay guys, thank you for watching to make this fidget toy. I hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Bye!